Understanding, a retelling of enhancing your English skills. Hello, everyone. Welcome to our English language learning series. Today, we're going to explore the meaning and usage of an interesting phrase, a retelling of. This phrase is often used in literature and storytelling, and understanding it can enrich your comprehension of English texts. Let's dive in. A retelling of is a phrase used to describe a story that has been told before, but is now being narrated again, often with a new perspective or style. Imagine a classic fairy tale like Cinderella. When someone creates their own version of this story, maybe with modern characters or a different setting, they are doing a retelling of Cinderella. Using a retelling of is a way to acknowledge the original story while presenting a fresh or updated version. It shows respect for the original work and indicates to the audience that they may find familiar elements, but with a new twist. This phrase is particularly popular in literature, movies, and theater. Let's look at some examples. 1. Movies, a film that presents a classic story in a new setting or era. 2. Books, an author reimagining a famous legend or myth. 3. Theater, a play that adapts a well-known narrative with contemporary themes. Each of these is a retelling of a known story, inviting audiences to experience it in a novel way. You can use this phrase when discussing books, movies, or plays. For example, have you seen the latest movie? It's a retelling of Romeo and Juliet set in the 21st century. That's all for today. We hope you now have a clear understanding of the phrase, a retelling of, and can use it confidently in your English conversations. Remember, language is all about expressing ideas in new and interesting ways, and this phrase is a perfect example of that. Keep practicing, and we'll see you in our next video.